Hi everyone, this is Abrar. Welcome to Abrar Knowledge channel. Today I am going to discuss about the ISO 9001 2015 standard. What are the classes and what is the main approach of ISO 9001 2015. So the first class I am going to write it down all the 10 classes. I am going to give briefing about it and what structure does it follow. So let's have a go. The first class we have scope. The next class you have normative references. Third class we have terms and definition. And then fourth class we have context of the organization. And fifth class we have leadership. And then sixth class we have planning. Seventh class is that support. Eighth class is operation. Ninth class is performance evaluation. Tenth class is simply the word called improvement. So these are the 10 classes of ISO 9001 2015 as you all know. But I just wanted to give 3 important points. The first point is the class number 1 to 3 is called non-auditable classes or not mandatory classes. Yeah. So class number 1, that is scope, normative reference and terms and definition, are not mandatory classes or non-auditable classes. What do you mean by non-auditable class? For example, you find anything like scope is not mentioned in the document, you cannot give a finding in class number 1. You have to go to the main thing and main stream and then pick up the finding. Okay. So the actual out of 10 classes, the actual classes are mandatory classes are 7. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 classes are called mandatory classes of ISO 9001 2015. So ISO 9001 you all know, the series 9001, that means it refers to product and servicing. Anything like manufacturing, ISO 9000 can be used, or anything service like a hospital or you have police station, you have a back-end support, all these ISO 9001 can be used. 2015 represent the year of publication. Now we have 5th revision, that is E revision, that is called 5th revision 2015 refers to year of publication. That is a fact number 1. Let's go back a little bit further. So the main classes, as I said, like start from 4 to 10. It talks about 2 main theme, 2 main structure. The first structure is process approach. Yeah. So the class number 4, maybe I'll use another marker. Class number 4, class number 5, class number 6, class number 7. All of these called plan. Yeah, this classes talks about plan. And then class number 8, that comes in do. Yeah. Class number 9, that is performance evaluation, that's called check. So for example, you have 9.2.2 internal audit, that is also in check, right? So class number 10 is called act. So these are all the structure. It follows process approach, PDCA, right? That's the first thing. Another thing is very importantly, ISO 9000 2015 brings up with something called risk-based thinking or risk-based approach. For example, let's say context of the organization. Take an example. That means you have to identify the internal risk and external risk, and then take a support from the leadership team. Like they need to promote the culture of risk-based thinking and all that. And then planning. Have an action to address risk and opportunity. Have a plan. and then take a support, right? And then you do execute. Just see the mitigation plan, how it can be resolved. Performance, monitor the risk, and then improve continually. So this is the structure of ISO 9001 2015. In upcoming video, I will be talking more on these class. So for example, context of the organization. In the context of the organization, what are the subclasses, what each classes talks about and all that. Please stay tuned for the further update on the remaining classes set. Please take good care. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a nice day ahead.